Hosta night before Christmas. Frequently asked questions. Hi everyone, Furbu here. As a Hosta enthusiast, I've noticed a surge in interest surrounding the captivating Hosta night before Christmas. This unique cultivar boasts stunning foliage and a captivating name, making it a coveted addition to many gardens. Today, I'll address some frequently asked questions about this Hosta and how it compares to others. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Hosta night before Christmas special? The night before Christmas boasts a mesmerizing combination of color and texture. Its heart-shaped leaves emerge a vibrant chartreuse green in spring, gradually transforming into a creamy white center with a bold, emerald green margin as the season progresses. This striking bicoloration creates a stunning contrast in shady gardens. Additionally, the leaves possess a unique puckered texture, adding depth and visual interest. How does it compare to other variegated hostas? Many variegated hostas offer beautiful foliage, but the night before Christmas stands out for its specific characteristics. Color contrast. Compared to varieties like Francie with subtle green and white margins, the night before Christmas features a bolder, high-contrast combination. Leaf shape. While some variegated hostas have elongated leaves, the heart-shaped foliage of the night before Christmas adds a touch of whimsy. Puckered texture. Not all variegated hostas possess the unique puckered texture found on the night before Christmas, which adds a tactile dimension. Is the Hosta night before Christmas difficult to grow? The good news is, the night before Christmas is a relatively low-maintenance Hosta. Here's what you need to know. Light. Prefers shade or dappled sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Thrives in well-drained, moist soil rich in organic matter. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Fertilizer. A light application of balanced fertilizer in spring can promote healthy growth. Does the Hosta night before Christmas change color throughout the season? Absolutely. The magic of the night before Christmas lies in its dynamic color transformation. Here's the breakdown. Spring. Emerges a vibrant chartreuse green, bringing a burst of fresh color to the shade garden. Summer. The white center intensifies, creating a beautiful bicolor effect with the rich green margin. Fall. The foliage gradually transitions to a soft yellow-green before going dormant for winter. How big does the Hosta night before Christmas get? This Hosta is considered a medium-sized variety, maturing to a height of 12 to 18 inches with a spread of approximately 24 to 30 inches. This makes it ideal for filling empty spaces and shady borders or creating stunning container displays. Can I divide my Hosta night before Christmas? Yes, you can. Division is a great way to propagate your Hosta and create new plants. The ideal time for division is in early spring or fall when the soil is cool and moist. Here are some additional tips for dividing your Hosta night before Christmas. Dig carefully. Use a sharp spade to unearth the entire clump. Separate divisions. Gently pull or cut the clump into smaller sections, ensuring each division has healthy roots and eyes, buds. Replant promptly. Water the divisions thoroughly and replant them in well-prepared soil. What are some companion plants for the Hosta night before Christmas? Since the night before Christmas thrives in shade, consider pairing it with other shade-loving plants for a cohesive and visually appealing garden. Here are some great options. Ferns. Ferns offer a delicate texture and come in various shapes and sizes, adding visual interest. Heuchera. Coral bells. The colorful foliage of Heuchera complements the cool tones of the Hosta. Astilbes. These shade-loving perennials offer beautiful, feathery flowers that add pops of color throughout the summer. Japanese painted ferns. The vibrant green and red fronds of Japanese painted ferns create a stunning contrast next to the Hosta. Where can I buy a Hosta night before Christmas? Hosta night before Christmas may not be readily available at all nurseries. Here are some ways to find this coveted cultivar. Specialty Hosta nurseries. Many online nurseries specialize in hostas and may offer the night before Christmas. Plant auctions and online marketplaces. Keep an eye out for the night before Christmas on online marketplaces like eBay or dedicated plant auction sites. Local garden clubs. Garden club members often share and swap plants, so inquire if anyone has the night before Christmas in their collection and is willing to share a division. Common concerns and troubleshooting for Hosta night before Christmas. While the night before Christmas is a relatively easygoing plant, there are a few potential issues to watch out for. Slugs and snails. These slimy pests love to munch on Hosta leaves. Apply organic slug and snail bait or use natural deterrents like crushed eggshells or copper tape around your plants. Hosta virus X. This virus manifests as distorted and streaked foliage. Unfortunately, there's no cure. Isolate and remove infected plants to prevent the spread. Leaf scorching. As mentioned earlier, too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Ensure your hosta receives only dappled sunlight or morning sun. Final thoughts on the hosta night before Christmas. The hosta night before Christmas is a captivating addition to any shade garden. Its stunning bicolored foliage, unique puckered texture, and ease of care make it a popular choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. With proper care and placement, this hosta will bring beauty and intrigue to your shady haven for years to come.